Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect GitHub Pages to host a design prototype UI beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a GitHub account if you don't already have one. Once you've signed in, click on the New button to create a new repository. Name your repository using a clear title like Design Prototype UI. Make sure to check the box for Initialize this repository with a README. Click on the Create Repository button to proceed. Next, navigate to the repository you just created. On the repository page, find and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section. In the Source drop-down menu, select Main or Master branch, depending on your repository setup. Click Save to enable GitHub Pages. Now, let's upload your design prototype files. Click on the Add File button, then select Upload Files. Drag and drop your design prototype files, or select them from your computer. Once your files are uploaded, click on Commit Changes at the bottom of the page. Next, back in the repository settings, look for the GitHub Pages URL. This URL is where your design prototype will be hosted. Open the URL in a new tab to verify that your design loads correctly. If needed, you can return to your repository to make adjustments to the files. To update your design prototype, simply upload new files and commit again. Your GitHub Pages site will automatically reflect those changes. Congratulations, you've successfully connected GitHub Pages to host your design prototype UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.